So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the center at the bottom, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 8,059. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there at the moment. You can change that information. So, for example, we have a trip computer, vehicle settings, your telephone, audio and satellite navigation menus, driver assist, and then back around to the beginning again. And if I back out to the steering wheel, you'll be able to see the controls just here that I was using. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control and speed limiter, and then the stereo itself is over in the center. So first of all, this is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. It's also where you can access your satellite navigation. We've done a full video that shows how this system works, which you can find on our website and YouTube channel. And then up in the top corner here, our audio options. So you've got your DAB menu, which is the one we're on at the moment, but we've also got AM and FM as well. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, should you wish to do that. This car also has two separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options for you. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, just here. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute, that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto off and allow you to put it back on your own settings here. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. 12-volt charging socket and one of the two USB inputs I mentioned. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And down here, you're able to turn the traction control on and off. And this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.